With its mix of flagship imaging and exceptional portability, the DJI Mavic series has never stopped empowering creators. Now, it's time for another bold leap forward. Introducing Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro Cine. Pro and Pro Cine both feature 3 cameras for ultra-dynamic imaging. It starts with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for outstanding image quality and color science.
对于风光拍摄而言，好风景往往稍纵即逝。4 CMOS 哈苏相机在大光比环境下可以记录更多光影信息。再结合哈苏自然色彩解决方案，直出的素材的颜色也能像人眼所见一样真实细腻。
The upgraded 166mm telecamera offers 7 times optical zoom and a wider f3.4 aperture. It provides higher resolution and can shoot 4K 60 FPS video. Authentic imaging has the power to convey emotion, to inspire, and to freeze moments in time. Mavic 3 Pro delivers endless ways to ignite the sparks of creativity.
So having 3 lenses built into the DJI Mavic 3 Pro allows me to get different angles and different shots that I didn't really think were possible before.
From the image quality to the insane variety of shots that you can get, this drone really is a dream for visual storytellers.
有了 Mavic 3 Pro， 我可以灵活使用3个焦段，尝试不同的构图，极大地提升了风光摄影的创作效率。
With its innovative triple camera system, Mavic 3 Pro ushers in a new era of imaging and storytelling possibilities, allowing you to keep inspiration in focus.
When the call for action can come from anywhere at any time, portability is what ultimately lets you rise to the occasion. The new DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series is here, coming in 2 versions. DJI Mavic 3E for outstanding imaging performance, and DJI Mavic 3T equipped with a thermal camera. DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series is compact, foldable, and easy to carry and deploy, so you can easily cover mountains, wilderness, and complex environments. A max flight time of 45 minutes means double the effective operation time of its predecessor, so you can cover more ground and get more done. DJI Mavic 3E has a 20-megapixel camera with a 4/3 CMOS. Its mechanical shutter provides shutter speeds of up to 1/2000th of a second, significantly reducing motion blur and improving mapping precision. 0.7-second capture intervals enable quick and efficient work. An optional RTK module unlocks centimeter-level positioning through microsecond signal sync, enabling surveying of a 2 square kilometer area in a single flight, all without the need for ground control points. The zoom cameras on both DJI Mavic 3E and DJI Mavic 3T support powerful 56-time hybrid zoom for resolution of targets like a 3mm width wire from a distance of 15 meters. Wide-angle lenses provide next-level omnidirectional optical sensing for enhanced operation safety. In addition to the zoom camera, DJI Mavic 3T integrates a wide-angle camera and a thermal camera in its compact gimbal module. Clearly detect and inspect thermal sources and work at night without worry. Double efficiency by scaling both thermal and vision cameras at the same time. With DJI Flight Hub 2, synchronize across teams to get first-hand on-site information and efficient air-to-ground coordination. Getting the most from your drone means having a remote controller that's just as dynamic. DJI RC Pro Enterprise is powerful, stable, and comes with DJI Pilot 2, a revamped enterprise flight interface that significantly improves operation efficiency and safety. The remote controller has a built-in microphone, supports text-to-speech, and can link to the high-volume loudspeaker to deliver messages efficiently. With DJI O3 Enterprise transmission, work with enhanced connectivity over long distances. 4G cellular transmission can ensure signal stability even in complex work environments. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series supports DJI Terra, PSDK, MSDK, and Cloud API for software and hardware expansion to flexibly meet the needs of different industries. Integrating the advanced drone technologies of DJI, the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series is compact, portable, powerful, and extensive, redefining standards for small commercial drones and driving forward a new era of lightweight operations.
For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. The new DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.